In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to render or export your video in DaVinci Resolve. Once your edit is ready, go to the Deliver tab at the bottom of the screen. Now, choose the part of the video you want to export. To render the entire project, select Entire Timeline. But if you only want to render a section, choose In/Out Range and set the range by pressing I where you want it to start and O where you want it to end. Give your file a name, then click Browse to choose where to save it on your computer. Now under the Video tab, set the format to QuickTime. Set the codec to H.264. Choose your resolution, usually 1080p for HD or 4K if your video is in Ultra HD. Set the frame rate to match your project settings. For quality, uncheck Automatic and instead check Restrict to. If your video is HD, type in 10,000 kilobits per second. For 4K, use at least 40,000 kilobits per second. Once you've set everything up, click Add to Render Queue. You'll see the job show up on the right side. Then just click Render All and DaVinci Resolve will start exporting your video. When it's done, it'll say Completed. You can right-click and choose Reveal in Finder or Show in Explorer to find the exported video on your computer. And that's it. You've successfully rendered your video in DaVinci Resolve. If this was helpful, feel free to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials.